Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to add money in FireKirin account. So first you have to make sure that you have downloaded FireKirin, and to do that you have to go to any browser and type FireKirin. Now click on the link which says start.firekirin.xyz, and according to your device you have to click on a preferred link and download it. So now to add money on a FireKirin account, first step is to understand how FireKirin deposits work. Unlike regular mobile apps, FireKirin does not have a built-in deposit button. Instead, you need to purchase credits through a distributor, casino operator, or the gaming platform where you registered your account. Now, the second step is to find your payment provider. Before adding money, you need to know where you created a FireKirin account. Different platforms or gaming centers handle payments differently. Now the next step is to choose a payment method. Once you find a provider, the next step is to choose a payment method. Most FireKirin distributors offer these options such as Jelly, Cash App, or Venmo. The last step is to contact support to add money. Now you need to contact FireKirin customer support or your gaming provider to add money to your account. So following this simple and easy step, you can add money in your FireKirin account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.